Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Bomber Friends on your phone, no jailbreak. So as you can see, I got tons of money there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's super cool. So as you can see, guys, I have tons of money. So if you're poor, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this modded version of the Bomber Friends, which gives you unlimited money, guys. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So yes, it's super cool, guys, super insane. So let's go, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Guys, so as you can see in the Bomber Friends, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this modded version onto your device, no jailbreak, which gives you unlimited money. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we're just going to go to Hex Mods, and then as you can see, it says Bomber Friends. So press on it, press the download button, and you're good to go. So be sure to go and try this out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And as you can see, guys, if I type in Bomber Friends, you can see it's super expensive, which is why I don't encourage you guys to spend money on this game. So as you can see, guys, what the heck. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go over to Hex Mods. You're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, and it's updated and everything like that. So yeah, super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. But yes, it's super cool, guys. Totally working, and yeah, I've looked into some other methods for you guys, but this was the only one I could find that actually worked. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out just so more people know about the method and stuff like that, because this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, get the word out about this video so more people know about it, because it is super crazy. And yeah, I mean, I've tried other websites, but this Hex Mods is the best. So as you can see, they have it right here, so be sure to try this out. They have other apps and games too as well. As you can see, there's lots of stuff on here, which is pretty cool. So try it out today, get the word out. Super awesome, guys. Totally working, as you guys can see. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel so more people are like educated and stuff like that, because this is super awesome, guys. Totally works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is super crazy. It's updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Super cool, guys. And yeah, it's fully working and everything like that. So I'll see you later, and peace out.